Hello everyone, hope you're all having a blessed day. I am finally getting a chance to do a voiceover for this beautiful girly kind of makeup that was requested for using the Profusion Festival palette. I am sorry if you hear Minecraft in the background buzzing from the air conditioner, but I have babysat all week. I have been super busy, and yes, this is the only chance I've had to film a voiceover, so sorry about that. We're using the Profusion Festival palette, and I hope you enjoy this very colorful look. And as always, we're going to start by priming our lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. First up, we're going to take Hot AF, and this is a very, just like a coral eyeshadow. I used this as a transition on the right eye. It kind of got lost, but I decided that I would do it on the left eye as well, just in case the colors come out different. Now next up, this eyeshadow is called Rave, and we're going to apply that also right off over top of Hot AF in the crease. I'm using the Profusion blending brush, and this is actually a really nice brush, super fluffy and soft. And I'm just going to keep windshield wipering that in the crease and building that up. These shades are actually really potent, but it's good to build them up. Now this shade here is called Totally, and it is a super hot pink. I'm also going to put the names of these in the description box below with the product list, so you'll know what shades that I used for sure. And we're just going to apply that in the crease as well, just build that up, leaving a little space between Rave and Totally, so that way we'll get that nice gradient going on. Now next, we're just going to blend and blend. We're going to blend those two shades together, make them seamless, and we're going to be using the Amuse 2-in-1 concealer and foundation to cut our crease. And I'm just doing a very small kind of cut crease, nothing crazy. And this look is very colorful. It might not be for everyone, and if this is not the girly look you were kind of looking for, I may do another one with just pink and purple, but I just really wanted to add that blue. I don't know, I felt like using blue that day as well. So we're just going to blend this concealer out. I'm going to tap it out with my finger and just really make sure that's ready to apply color. Now next up, this shade is called Geode, and it's just a very nice icy blue shimmery shade, and we're going to apply that in the inner corner and the first half of our lid, and we're going to leave the rest of the lid blank for now. I'm just using a eyeshadow brush, just a flat shader, to really pack the shade on and kind of blend it in with the pink, because I don't want a super cut crease here. I just kind of wanted a definite cut between the shades. Next up, we're going to be picking up Groove, and it's just a nice pretty shimmery purple shade, and I'm applying that to the rest of the lid. So the other half of the lid that was blank, this is where this is going to go. We're just going to pat that and drag it onto the lid, and just getting our color placement now. Now I am going to go between the blue and the purple there with brushes and kind of make those colors seamless. We're just going to blend them, and you just, when blending, just keep in mind you kind of just want to go over them, use like shades to make them become one. You want the colors to melt together, mesh together, just to appear seamless and be one. So we're doing a little extra blending, and then next up we're going to pick up Onyx, which is just a kind of shimmery black, but honestly not so much shimmer shows up as just a matte kind of black. And I'm just taking that on a small like crease pencil brush, and I am very lightly and barely touching the outer corner, and I'm applying that right directly over top of what purple's there. And I'm even going to apply purple a little bit on top of it just for blending purposes. And I just wanted a little bit more definition there. Like I said, I wanted a definite definition. You could tell where the pink is and the other colors are, and I just kind of wanted a slight cut crease. So on the lower lash line, we're going to be taking Groove, the eyeshadow Groove, to the bottom. And if you guys have this palette, isn't this, I'm looking at the palette in front of me, isn't rockin' such a beautiful shade, and hipster and wavy sunnies? This whole palette is absolutely stunning for $13. Next up, we're taking Winning from the eyeshadow palette, and I just have it on a Believe Beauty eyeshadow brush. And I like this brush for placing the highlight. It's nice and big and fluffy, but it's dense as well. So it is kind of good for blending and placement all together. And this is a very potent matte eyeshadow. It's just a new kind of vanilla shade. And I'm going to place that, and we're going to blend it in with the Crease shade. And I like highlights because you can use them like magic erasers if you went too high. And of course, we're using our NYX Jumbo pencil in the waterline there, not to close off our eye. And look how tiny my pencil is. It's on its last leg. And we're gonna do a very tiny thin liquid liner. And I'm taking Maybelline's Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. This is actually a really nice mascara. The brush is a little bit weird, but overall the formula is great, and I love how it makes my lashes look. And I'm using a bit of this Milani Hypnotic Eye Topper in number 4, just there in the inner corner. And it's like a duochrome pink purpley shade. Just blend it out a little bit. Just a little bit of extra pop of something in the corner there. And I love how this look came out bright and fun. This is Wet n Wild's Don't Blink Pink lipstick. Very beautiful throwback shade from the Wet n Wild line. And I'm going to top it with the AOA Studio Diamond Gloss. And this is like a purple blue duochrome lip gloss. Just a little bit in the center there. So pretty. You could also do a nude lip if you want. This is a very out there kind of look. Maybe you want to wear it to a fun festival, concert, something like that. I don't know, super summery and fun and girly. And setting spray, Believe Beauty setting spray, my awesome fan from the Dollar Tree. And bam, we are done. And not sure what's going on with my eye there with the redness, but it's happening, it's there. So yes. Hope you enjoyed the look, hope you find it helpful, hope you will try it out, give it your own spin. Check the description box for a product list and other additional links. I thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.